Welcome back to the video, guys. Look, I've got my webcam back, it's working. I've also had a haircut, I've had my beard shaved, I'm looking clean. Ignore the messy hair, but I had a haircut the other day. Sadly, the webcam wasn't working that day. But anyway, what am I doing today? Boss Cat. You guys have been waiting for this video for a while. But I wanted to wait because I'm glad I waited, because they announced an amazing partnership, a collab with another CNF project I really like. Sadly, I'm not invested into the other one, but I've known about them since the beginning. I could have got in, I didn't, I missed it. I could still get in, but right now I'm just going to cool off. I haven't got any adder to spend because I've been into some projects I really like and just hope they do well. So anyway, Boss Cat Rocket Club, they've got a new roadmap about the boss planets, their metaverse. They've got collabs going on. They're thinking about doing like stuff with Ethereum. It's absolutely insane. I'm going to go show you some sneak peeks at the very end. I'm also, guys, stick to the very end of the video because I've got a giveaway for you guys. So stick to the very end, and you guys, I'm going to tell you how to get into that giveaway. So let's show the roadmap. From the get-go, this is what I would want from a project that's going to be like a blue chip. Look how beautiful this looks. I love how the word, I know this is just crazy me talking about this, but I'm a graphics designer and I love things like this. Just look how the words go on the top and then through the houses there at the back. I just love it. It looks so clean. Let's go to the roadmap. Quarter 1, website ticked, the JPG.store done, first mint done, all that good stuff. So what's going to come next? Interactive map. That's the next goal. More boss planet estates with combined correctly located lots in a 3x3 combination. So the estates. Content creation. So you're going to be able to make your own content, maybe buy stuff from other people, create your own stuff, maybe another way of making money. I'm definitely going to try and learn how to make some Vox edit, how to do all that stuff. I did actually study games design in college, and I did make some 3D assets and whatnot. So I might have a little go, try it out, see how it goes. But it's another way to make some money. And with metaverses being all the game and crypto and NFTs, it would certainly be an amazing skill to have. But yeah, guys, make sure to watch this video to the very end. I'm hoping to get YouTube partner. The only way to do that is by you guys watching as much as you can. If you guys could just watch this video to the very end, I would appreciate it as well. Just thought I'd bring that up. So yeah, Boss Planet community content, a dynamic searchable marketplace for all Boss Planet digital content, filtered by brand, type, price, and popularity. I absolutely love that. I love the popularity idea as well. So if yours is upvoted the most, it'll be at the top of the top of the leaderboard. People might be able to say, oh, I like that, I'll buy it. More money for you, more money for the project, more money for everyone, right? 2022, what's this? Boss Planet token and staking. I'm all about staking. I love passive income. You guys know I'm going to start making some heavy content on staking, nodes, passive income. I love all that. So here we are, the launch of our highly anticipated Boss Planet token, the daily token reward staking program. Oh, guys, I'm bullish. I'm so excited. Boss Planet energy dispensaries, official partnerships announced to create the necessary dispensaries for all consumable energy supply in Boss Planet. So sounds like to me it's going to be their partnership type stuff. You can buy items from these vendors. That money might go to the partnerships and all that kind of stuff. I kind of like that. Second Boss Planet mint. So if you guys did miss the first one, there's a second one. Very nice. 2022, quarter 3. Boss Planet accounts. So if you think of like Sandbox, they have their own account page where you can create your own characters and whatnot. Maybe that's what it's going to be. Register your personal Boss Planet account to manage all your assets and properties in one place. Your Boss Planet dashboard to connect your wallets. Hold on compatible contents using Boss Planet. Assign your avatar and edit all your profile details. So what I just said. I'm going to have an inventory. Going to be similar to Sandbox, I assume. Not sure. It would probably look a bit different, obviously, but I'm going to use Sandbox as reference because they're like the big ones. So there you are, another Boss Planet mint. So guys, there's plenty of coming up. For quarter 1 of 2023, so next year, they're going to have pre-alpha testing. So you might think that's a long time away. That's really not. Like, that's plenty of time to get an alpha for a game, for a metaverse, you know. A couple of months, get it all polished, make it like really good quality, get all your assets, get people building on there, designing things. That's beautiful. I love that. It's going to be in the first quarter. Obviously, things can get delayed as well. Keep in mind, it is alpha, so things will be broken. Keep that in mind as well. Boss Planet Construction Toolkit, beta launch of our dedicated platform for building on your own property. So they're going to make their own toolkit. I love that. Keep everything in the own ecosystem. Using your Boss Planet account and inventory, you'll be able to start developing your property. The toolkit will also provide quick search access to existing Boss Planet compatible assets available for purchase. All construction and assembly will incur minor construction fees, which will be charged in the Boss Planet token. So there's a use case there for the token as well. Quarter 2. Avatar creation toolkit. You can make your own avatars, Cool. Boss Planet time zones and dynamic weather systems. The clocks will start ticking in the 3 distinct Boss Planet time zones with complete day and night cycles. Dynamic weather systems and all autonomously govern the climate across the entire metaverse. Full seasons of rain, wind, snow, storms. More to come. More weather soon. Mad. Mad, mad, mad. A whole metaverse of like dynamic weather. That's huge. I don't even think Sandbox has got that. That's huge. Additional partners. More partners. Love that. Where we got here? 2023 with Q2, so 3. So this is where they're kind of not sure, I guess, because there's not much else here. So there's a possibility this might come in Q2 or Q3. Could even come earlier. They're going to have an Alpha V2 version. The official launch of Boss Planet Alpha V2 for open. So that means more optimization and more bug fixes, all that good stuff. Love it. So yeah, guys, that's the roadmap. Links will be down below so you guys can check out yourself, like the Twitter, website, Discord, all that. And they've had some really bullish news, and I love this because the CNFT space, in my opinion, there's some toxicity with it. There's some, flooders around. There's some people who just hate on projects for no reason. But what Boss Planet have done with this other project is a great sign for the future of the CNFT community, bringing communities together, bringing collabs together. And if you look here, guys, from Tomcat, my beautiful friend, you've got Boss Cat and Lazy Llamas collabing together. And if you click on the image here, you can see here you've got cats and llamas. Guys, absolutely insane. Like, bringing communities all together into one place is going to make Boss Cat more used. It's going to make the prices more higher, even for the projects they're collabing with. Even it's just a whole massive cycle. I think it's great. I think it's very positive for the entire CNFT space. And if we go to the floor prices of all these projects, the rockets, the parts, the not Vox, that's not out yet, the llamas, all that stuff, let's have a little nosy. So you can pick up a Lazy Llama for 370 adder. Not too bad. I'm pretty sure their all-time high was around 600 to 800. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I think that's what it is. I could have grabbed one of these around 100, but I missed out. I'm going to try get some of these when I've got some more adder in. If we go to the estates, very cheap. This is a steal in my opinion. 316 adder. I think that's absolutely a steal, and you can grab a couple of these if you want to. It's 9 to make an estate, so keep that in mind. You can also use their tool on the website to find out what you need for your estate. But yeah, that's an absolute steal. I think the District 5s are going for about 3,000 adder, which is absolutely insane. You've got the normal original collection, which is going for 1,890 adder. I think that's a decent price. I think it's about a steal. I'd say it's probably a steal as well, because considering it went all the way to 3,000 adder and it dropped down to 1,600 adder, I think that was the bottom. So this is just above the bottom in my opinion. I think this is a decent price. And if we go to the rocket parts, 3,709, which again I think is a steal, considering these were about 6,000 floor, I believe, like a couple of weeks ago, which is absolutely insane. So yeah, absolute steal across the board right now. I think this is the same for most projects. And then if we go over to like the Discord, so this is just a picture I got. You can see here that he is talking about the future of the Boss Planet and collabs and stuff. So we want to continue working with more projects in Cardano and possibly even projects from Ethereum. Now that is very interesting. If they manage to bring in the Ethereum ecosystem, investors, the amount of volume that would come in from the Ethereum side would be absolutely insane. It would be millions, absolutely millions, possibly billion. Because there is a $1 billion market NFTs right now. So guys, honestly, it's so bullish. I love that, bringing so many projects in, different ecosystems. It's so bullish. I've not seen a project do that just yet. Absolutely insane. Right, we want to build Boss Planet together with all other awesome projects out of there. Imagine a new world where people all work together instead of the hate and jealousy. That's exactly what I was talking about before. Imagine just having peace and love, as Blue Magic says here. Blue Magic has the same mind as me, I think. He's all about peace and love, about chill. If you're feeling a bit down, whack a bit of Bob Marley on and just peace out and chill out. All that type of stuff. No need for the hate. This is Lazy Llama's Vox NFT, which you guys can see in the image there. For Boss Planet, we couldn't be more thrilled to be working with them and joining both our incredible communities together. I absolutely love it. I'm so excited. So the last thing, guys, we're going to talk about as well, we're going to go to the Discord. I'm going to show you some sneak peeks. So you can see here a picture of the land, and then since then they've been doing sneak peeks of what their buildings will look like. I think they look absolutely beautiful. So whoever's been designing these, whoever the artist is, it might be multiple people. They've done an absolutely fantastic job. I'm pretty sure there's an interior as well, which is absolutely fantastic. Imagine if each building has an interior. Each shop has, you can go in, you can buy things. There's owners, there's people just make, bullish. Look at it, little part of a city here. Love that. So I'm on this 3D statue thing. Keep going down. More images. Look at that. It just looks so beautiful. It looks cute. Looks nice. I love it. I love Vox. It looks amazing. Just keep going down. We've got a little video here of looks like a roller coaster ride, which you can design and develop your very own play to earn game and boss planet. Let's all have some fun and build something meaningful together. So there you are. No idea how this would be play to earn. Maybe whoever can stay on there the longest without feeling sick or something. I don't know. That's a possibility, I suppose. So hold on to your boss cats and rockets for your daily token rewards, which will start soon. Trust me, you won't regret it, which I'm sure you guys won't regret it at all. And here you are. We've got the little announcement here with the collab, which I think is beautiful. Here's another one. We've got a crown on one of the llamas. I love that. And here's another picture here of a little, looks like a food area, which I love. Yeah, guys, that is Boss Cat Rocket Club. Absolutely insane. Massive shout out to Lazy Llama for partnering with Boss Cat Rocket Club. You guys are absolutely fantastic. If you guys want to hit me up with anything, maybe I'll do a video for you guys, or maybe like a little interview, guys, to see what your opinion is. Hit me up. I'd love to talk to you guys. So if anyone is part of their community, let them know. I would love to talk to them. Get them to message me on Twitter, whatever, and we can maybe get an interview going. And that would be absolutely insane. And now for the giveaway. So you have watched till the very end of this video, guys. I'm going to give away a piece of land in District 1. In District 1, the floor price is 400, if I'm not mistaken. Last I checked, it was 400. So I'm going to give away a 1. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, like this video, go over to my Twitter. There will be a post on how to do it all, and do all the steps on my Twitter post, and make sure you watch this video to the very end. Like, go through it all, watch it all. I want to get YouTube partner. I need to get there. I want to get on it. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. All links will be down below. Giveaway link down below. DZ and Justin have just launched an NFT Alpha Discord as well. I'm going to leave that link down below as well, guys. I'm going to just go over to it quickly while I'm still here. You can see I made a little tweet here with this little post I made. NFT Alpha, there's going to be giveaways, exclusive news. They're going to be giving away a bunch of NFTs. They're going to be making their own community NFT as well. Get in the Discord, join that as well. So yeah, make sure you check out the giveaway, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.